Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BlendixSerial. Today I'm going to show you another experiment. In the last video I uploaded about how to work with microcontroller and UPBGE, and this video I'm going to show you there is another way to work with microcontroller. Okay, let me show you. So this is another my console pad. Okay, you can see there are two joystick. Okay, joystick on left and joystick on right. Okay, let's see in my Blend file. Now you can see there are many model. Okay, let me show you. When I press play, you can see, okay, in this bin file I also added my song that I wrote by myself. Okay, let's see. When I move left joystick, you can see some model is moving. Alright. Okay, let me show you. There are 9 channels I can send into UPBGE project. Okay, in one joystick I can move forward, backward, left and right, and the last one is a little button on this. You can hear when I press, there are a little sound like this. Okay, and you can see there is some model moving, and then the implementation of this, I made a camera control. Okay, let me show you. I place 0 and now I'm on camera view. Okay, let me clear keyframe by move this and pause this timeline and start at number 1. Okay, let me clear keyframe and then hide it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, make sure everything is ready. Okay, and then press play. Right. To move forward, you can move like this. Joystick on right side can turn your camera to left and right like this. I think I will use this for make cutscene game. When you want to introduce your company reference, you can do like this. Okay, let's imagine if this just game cutscene when you want to introduce your project. Okay, now you can see I'm gonna move my camera up. I'm gonna move my right joystick forward like this. You can see it looks slowly moving, but if you try to render it, it normally plays on 24 frames per minute, per second, sorry. I must apologize for slowly moving. Because this video I want to show you another project how to work with Arduino or microcontroller to make a camera movement. Instead we use keyframe. Okay, I want you to see the below of the screen. You can see timeline is running with a brown line. That means your camera is recording. Okay, I want to pause this. Okay, and now you can see this brown timeline keyframe shows you that you already record, but it haven't finished because you need to go through this scene. Okay, scroll down until you see rigid body world. Please click on bake or dynamics. Okay, UPBGE going to bake, and you think it's enough, press ESC. Now you can go to export to video, and then this is the result because I already rendered this one. You can hear